the creator of Polish celebrity fighting, hailing from Warsaw, Poland, Amadeus, the Lord of Hell, Ferrari! One of the most viewed fighters in Misfits boxing. He is the one, the only, the fighting pride of Bukasur Candelaria, Quezon, Philippines. The hard-hitting KO artist, the Misfits superstar, the Filipino monster, Super
I'm the referee. I spoke to you both in the dressing room. I obey my command at all times. You both know the rules. Watch the heads, kick them punches up. When I shout break, you break clean. And remember, defend yourselves at all times. Touch them up.
An ugly brawl. They couldn't be more different.
Seconds out, first round.
So here we go. Salt Papi in the black and red. Amadeus Ferrari in the white.
Orthodox and southpaw again. Salt Papi. That left hand has been the weapon. But Amadeus, when he starts throwing,
he loads up big time. Obviously that can hurt people, but it can also lead you into falling into traps. It's gotten underneath Salt Papi's skin.
physicality from Ferrari.
You know, Papi should be able to pick this guy clean coming in. He's so reckless.
Troxy getting loud here. I love the composure from Salt Papi.
Go too early, and he didn't think of the long term. 5 3-minute rounds here. This is our main event. Salt Papi and Amadeus Ferrari.
Excellent jab to the body there by Papi.
It's similar to the Josh Bruckner fight where Salt Papi caught him. Oh my God, Salt Papi's in serious trouble.
He's smiling though.
I'll tell you what, you can keep smiling. You can't take too many more of these. He's got that same look in his eye. Oh my. Salt Papi needs to move his feet. He can't just stand there and let this guy plant shots on his chin. He's got to circle around like the matador that he is and let the bull come towards the Josh Bruckner. He landed that jab, landed that shot by letting him walk onto it. But he's just getting stuck.
Remember the check hook that Floyd Mayweather nailed Ricky Hatton with? Something similar. Let him use his own momentum against him.
Lost himself out a little bit. These blitzes take a toll.
The thing about Ferrari is he's used to fighting 5-minute rounds. Oh, and he's dangerous, Ferrari.
Ferrari slipped though.
He's fighting.
Oh, the corner to knockdown.
Wow.
Maybe it was a punch on the inside.
You see these MMA guys.
You can't trade for a guy like Amadeus Ferrari. That's for sure.
This round has been as wild as we thought it might be. Papi is cut. Amadeus went down.
I anticipated, to be fair, to Ferrari. He's doing great.
And now look at this. A lot of patience from Salt Papi. Beautiful. Check right hook. This is the longest boxing bout. It's going to get clipped.
Papi tried to run down Ferrari.
And that cut keeps getting opened worse, and Salt Papi was covered in blood around his chest now.
Oh, but look at Salt Papi trying to time the left straight.
It's not easy though, because this guy's leading with his head. It's dangerous actually.
He's trying to grind his head.
He's deliberately trying to grind his head for the head.
He's going to take a point.
He is. He's doing it.
Yeah.
He is doing it. He's leading with the head deliberately.
Grinding his head into the other man's open wound.
I'm actually worried this guy might go full MMA at some point here, like, you know?
Some double leg takedowns and some high kicks maybe.
Well, we saw Dillian Danis try and do that against Jake Paul in a match.
Not enough. He's not got Ferrari guessing anywhere near enough like he usually does with people. He's allowed him to sort of dominate this fight.
Oh, did catch him there, but Ferrari not getting stunned.
Boy, Ferrari's just itching to throw that right hand. There it is.
And Salt Papi welcomes it on.
We knew Salt Papi's, even with the cut, I mean, he is unfazed, landing that left.
Yeah, there's a lot of shots being thrown from Ferrari, but it's hard to know what's landing because it's happening so fast and so close. It's not clean boxing at all, this.
call. And Ferrari almost went through the ropes there, to left. And they're swinging. And there's your takedown.
And this is a fight right now. It's not a boxing match. And so
Straighten these shots out. It's like golf. You don't want to kill the ball every time.
Yeah, just want to touch Poppy. Just get him uncomfortable.
He's got one speed, this guy. 100%.
Nice footwork
from Salt Poppy. That's what we want to see.
It's like he's locking in. Salt Poppy's figuring this out as the fight progresses.
Swinging shots will land.
Ferrari might be stunned. The optics when he gets hit, they just don't look good. Ferrari doesn't take damage well.
With the punches like a boxer should. Easier cannot be killed. And this guy stole the show this week. Big right hand.
That right hand landed for Ferrari.
And there will not be a queue of fighters.
But I think a lot of people had questions about Salt Poppy's chin and durability. He is answering them beautifully here tonight.
Salt Poppy mixing it up in the corner. Incredible action.
A lot of brawling here. Salt Poppy continuing. This is what...
Those long-range shots, those straight shots that he knocked out Josh Bruckner with, they're the safe place for him. This isn't safe.
Ferrari clinching up.
It's just a matter of time unless he can land one of these big, wild shots.
He's going to get him. And he goes for takedown. This guy, come on now.
That's egregious. That is just egregious.
Come on now, have some...
But listen, it gives him time to breathe. He's tearing him apart. This is a dissection from Super Salt Poppy.
You know what to do? He's letting him off here a little bit. But I think Salt Poppy's naturally tired as well.
What's he doing? Oh!
Taking a point.
Yeah, Ferrari doesn't even care at this point.
Yeah, he's a bad boy of Misfits, this guy now, right?
Bad boy of Misfits with little gas tank.
I just think he can fight cleaner than this, you know? It's just a little more messier than I like to see Salt Poppy. And I think they're going to throw in the towel. Is it all over? Yeah, it's all over. Takedown and quit. Come on now.
That's it. Quit on his stool. Salt Poppy made him quit.
Welcome back